Hey, Emma. Oh, you want to play a game? You want to get? Okay, you gotta hang on now. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. We gotta put the treat down first underneath the cap. Okay, there's your Charlie Bear treat. Leave it. Leave it. Get it. Get that treat. Get that treat, Emma. Get it, girl. Oh, you flung your treat way over here. Hang on. Oh, you silly girl. Oh my goodness, you flung the treat way over here. Where'd it go? I don't think you can lift the lamp up to get it. There you go. Goofball. There's Ozilly. You want to do it again? Hey, sit. You want to do it again? Okay. You're going to do the Charlie Bear treat underneath the lid. Oh. Wait a minute. You didn't even give me a chance to back up, little silly. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Hang on. And get it. Whoa, you're so fast. That was like ninja lightning. Sit. 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 Emma, sit. Good girl, stay. Leave it. Get it. Where's it at? Did you get it already? It's under there. Yeah. You got it. Good girl. You're the smartest Iggy in the world, huh? Hey, can you give me a high five, Emma? High five. Oh, good girl. Hey, sit. Tell everybody bye-bye. Say, I love you. Say, I love you. Oh, I love you too. Bye-bye.